no, tampons are not going to disvirgin you. Nothing can do that job, nothing, except what is supposed to do the job. Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have been making period videos every end of the month, but I slacked and I want to make another period video today. Guys, if you are of the other gender, please, you don't have to watch my video. Just go off here. This video is not for you. This video is not for you. If you are a man, this video is not for you. If you're not having periods as a man, this video is not for you. Please, I don't want to be hearing useless snide comments about me talking about periods. So this video is not for men. This is a girls only chat. Let's dive into the video without wasting much of anybody's time. What are you still doing in my video when you're a man? Go away, please. Thank you. So my girlies, if you're watching me for the first time, my name is Mariam and I like talking to you about periods, so you need to get to learn from your online auntie instead of learning from the wrong people on the streets. And today we're going to talk about tampons. Why I chose to talk about tampons today is because I had a lot of views on tampons after a video I watched, and I felt there is the need to educate people about tampons, especially my northern sisters. So I can see a man he watching this video. Share this video to your sister and stop watching. Go away. Bye bye. So what are tampons, guys? When we say tampons are small cylindrical period products that are made out of cotton, and they are inserted into the vagina to absorb the period blood. So if you've never seen a tampon, this is what a tampon looks like. It comes packaged like this. So this is how it comes. Tampons are extremely comfortable. Once you master the art of using tampons, they are more comfortable than pads. You guys are going to thank me for this. Tampons are leak proof, yana preventing stains more than yanda pad yake preventing stains. You guys, there is no going back if you start using tampons. You insert tampons, it feels as if you are not wearing anything. This is how good tampons are. Most tampons come with plastic applicators to make inserting easier. Wasu kuma ba su zuwa da plastic applicators kawai haka kawai suke zuwa. So for this brand comes with the plastic applicator. Kun gani, this is how it is. Wannan shine applicator din. If you want to wear the tampon, this is how you push it up. So applicator zai taimake ku ku yi pushing din shi up ya shiga. So it's easier, especially for beginners. If you want to buy tampons, you should definitely get tampon in the zuwa da applicator to make it easier for you. Tampons comes in different absorbency level. Akwai light, akwai regular, akwai super. So light if you are having a flow kadan, regular if your flow is just regular, kun sani super for masu heavy flow. So in kuka je sayan tampons, za ku ga a jikin pack din ana labeling L ko kuma S. So in kuka je saya, S does not mean small, S means super. Kar ku je ku saya S ku ce kun dauka small ne. S super ne, and then L is not large, L shine light. They are weird like that. I don't know why they did the sizing that way, but in kuka L it means light flow, in kuka S it means heavy flow, super flow. In kuka say tampons, za ku ga yana da wannan string and wannan igiyan at the end. So wannan igiyan shine yake taimakawa wajen removing na tampon din. If you're using the tampon, this is what you use for easy removal. One thing I have been reading is about the age of people that are using tampons. Was that only married women are allowed to use tampons? No, there is no minimum age for using a tampon. You can start your period today and start using your tampons today. There is no minimum age, and no, tampons are not going to disvirgin you. Nothing can do that job, nothing, except what is supposed to do the job. Tampons are not going to disvirgin you. I am telling you this over and over again. No, it is safe, it is healthy, it's not going to disvirgin you. Nothing is going to happen just because you are using a tampon. Nothing. So if you are a beginner and you're just starting to use tampons, make sure you get a tampon that has applicator, because it is going to be way easy for you to use the tampon. And then one thing, someone told me that, what if in the second tampon get better at chicken ta? It's not going anywhere. That is the use of this string, for you to just pull it out, tampon in after, and string and then she, but I could tusa she wuce she ga can ciki ba, zaki bar shi ne ya tsaya ta waje yanda zaki ki ja shi ki cire abu. So no, in the rare event the string and then ya tsinke, tampons inki is not going anywhere. Ba wai like chicken ki, the ovaries inki, the vagina ki is ba wai tunnel bane, ba pipe bane da zai wuce straight. No, it's not going to go anywhere. It's going to stay there, and you just have to relax and remove it out. It is safe and it's not going to get lost up there. It can't even move up there. In case you are a beginner and you are just starting to use tampons, I'm going to suggest you start using the light tampon, and then from there say kikoma ki using regular, kikoma ki using heavy, depending on your flow. In kika using light, if the light is not okay for you, you move to regular or heavy, depending on what is going to work for you. Guys, I still want to talk about this string. Wannan string on kun gani, wallahi da karfin da Allah ya bani nake ja, ba inda zai je. Is there, it's very strong, so ba zai yanke ba abin da zai same shi. Okay, let me remove the applicator and show you what the tampon looks like. This is what the tampon looks like. So you're going to insert this inside. When I show you, it's not easy. I've been talking for more than 10 minutes and I just realized it has not been filming. I don't even know where it stopped filming, but I know I was talking to you guys about the string. This string is not going anywhere, is not going to move at all, and tampon ba zai bata a cikin ki ba. So for first time users, it is very normal to be nervous. I will advise first time users to always use tampons on their heavy day. You all know how our periods are. Some days are heavy and then some days are very light. So always use it on your heavy day. It's going to serve as a lubricant that can help you push it in very easily. Guys, it's normal to be nervous. That's why we are here for you. That's why you have Google. That's why you have all the resources you need. So always ask questions and make sure you get the right answers. Cleanliness is very paramount, especially when you're on your period. Make sure you wash your hands thoroughly before inserting your tampons. And guys, these applicators have nothing to do inside your vagina, so make sure you are just using them as applicators, just using the other one to push this one in, and then after pushing this part in, you are going to remove these parts out. They have nothing to do up there. You are only going to insert your tampon, and make sure you insert it completely so it goes in gaba daya. Don't leave anything outside. If you leave anything outside, it's going to be very uncomfortable and it might also be painful. So make sure you push it in, leave only the string outside. Make sure you change your tampons within 6 to 8 hours, just in case you want to go somewhere that you don't know when you're coming back home. Zaki actually using tampons inki, which is more comfortable than pads. And if you think you are like you have heavy flows, you insert your tampon, you put your pads for extra protection, or you put your panty liner for extra protection so you don't leak at all. If you start using tampons, this is a game changer, guys. You are not going to look at pads because it's a game changer. I don't even know why people are not using tampons. Do you know one nice thing about tampons is you can use it for your sports and all that, and you will be very comfortable. You can even use tampons to swim and nothing is going to come out, nothing is going to happen. You feel so comfortable as if you're not on your period at all. Once you remove your tampons after your 6 to 8 hours of usage, please wash your hands again, wash your hands thoroughly, get back into your comfortable position, look for the string, and then pull it out gently. If you are pulling the string out, sai kika ji kamar yana baki wahalan fita ko akwai pressure ko friction ko wani abu, relax and then pull it out. In kika ji yana baki wahalan fita, that means it's still dry, ba komai a jiki. Give it another hour or two before you pull it out, because if it is dry, it's going to get like uncomfortable removing it. So get into your comfortable position, relax, and then just pull the string out, zefita. And then in as well, even if it's not 6 to 7 hours and then you can see little stains, that means it is full. Just pull it out and insert another one. After removing your tampons, don't flush it in your toilet, please. Dispose it well. A toilet paper, one leather, whatever, just dispose it in a very clean manner. Don't flush your toilet, it's going to clog your toilet. So you dispose it well, wrap it in a toilet paper before putting it in your dustbins. Cook it already later before putting it in your dustbins. If you are somebody like me that burns their pads and tampons, you burn them up. So as I'm making this video, my phone keeps going off, so I'm using this to complete the video. So some people have questions that what if they put the tampons in the wrong hole? The tampons is never going to go into the wrong hole. There are only 3 holes down there. You cannot put it from the hole behind. You are not that dumb. And you cannot put it into the pee hole because it's too tiny. It's not going to fit in there. So it's only one hole that can fit, like that the tampon can fit into. So one hole in kadaizi ear sugar. So if you're pushing it and it's going through, it's the right hole. Just push it in. So I think this is all you need to know about the tampons. Please, parents, guardians, give your kids the chance to experience the comfortableness of tampons. No, tampons are not going to disvirgin your children, so please give them the chance to experience the comfortableness of tampons. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. If you are too shy to ask me in the comment section, you can send me a DM on Instagram at __EMSU, and inshallah I'm going to respond to your DM. Please drop a comment, subscribe to my channel, like and share my video.